Welcome to Medical Ocean. Today our topic is how to demonstrate nebulizer machines. You see the Rose makes nebulizer machines we have here. Today you will learn how to attach nebulizer machines, how to put medicine in nebulizer machines. Kindly see these videos to the ends if you want to learn nebulizer machines. It's a short videos on how to attach nebulizer machine to a patients. Now this is a nebulizer machine. Look in these pictures, you see clearly. After that, this is electric switch. Here is electric switch. From here we can on and off the nebulizer machine. From this side, on and off the nebulizer machines. After that, you see this is a nebulizer mask. We have different types of mask, oxygen mask, but this one is nebulizer mask. Here we can attach nebulizer mask extension with machines. Here you should attach nebulizer mask a tube with nebulizer machines. How to open nebulizer mask? You rotation motion. You should rotate it anti-clockwise. It will be opens. After that you put the medicine in nebulizer tube. Put the medicine in it. Medicine, we have a lot of medicine, atom cleanils, ventolins mixed with normal salines. We put the medicine in it. Then we can close the nebulizer mask as you can see in the videos. Whenever you can close the nebulizer mask, then it is ready. Then how to attach with the patient and how it works. Switch with electric powers and then on the nebulizer machines. You should on the nebulizer machines. Let's see, he on the nebulizer machines and the steam will be starts. You can see easily in videos the steam will start in these videos. Then it will do work in your respiratory tracts to help in sputum out. It's very important in respiratory infection, especially when you have sputum. Thank you so much for watching this video.